This poem is about the effect that media has on teenagers today. It's just a daily conversation with my TV.
It's not a song.
Oh, okay, it's not.
She takes time to rewind and to find the thoughts that are mine. Lonely world, you keep spinning so fast, spinning on this media I breathe in like oxygen. Cause her mind can't find a punishment for my crime. And so, I hate that I love you. Brainwash. Perverted lines of songs I'm not allowed to blast at home, pervert and warp my image of what I should look like, or what that guy should pimp like while he was pimping all over the world. Cause she was stained, misused, confused, so I reused past abuse. That bought her. And I bought your CDs, the ones that talk about what my life be like, but they never make it to the top of the charts. This music starts, and every time the beat drops, guys expect me to drop it like it's hot. And I started at your roots, halted your pain. Day 2, erased your shame. You can't complain. I refuse to gain blame and fade to responsibility. But I can't complain because now she wants me to pop and lock before I drop it. Because I fight humility without the ability to change. I've rearranged the strange, and every guy that gets so high is looking for the naughty girl while this sweetest girl got passed by. So then, I claimed my dame. But maybe if everyone cared, I wouldn't have to keep waiting on this world to change. Change? You need to stick it to your brain. We ain't the same, sister, you're a blister. Waiting to be peeled and healed, stepped on and told what to do. Get a clue, tie my shoe and move. Robot. You're right. But wait, was it so long ago that I sang of the one who lays in that manger? No. Because you do as I say. My slave, I'm the king and I always get in my way. You must be the king because you got these people singing songs about Santa Baby before they think of Jesus walks. I think it's time the world drops your remote and picks up their cross.
All right.
The cross? This ain't no new age or flip page. The revolution can't be televised because I am the TV. So revere me, hear me, see me, be me, because you can't beat me. History will repeat me. I wouldn't win. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to diss TV shows like BET or MTV. I'm just asking how you got me singing songs in other people's names. See, I come in from the club at 6 a.m., then walk in on Sunday and think that I could pray all my pain away? What pain and strife? I brought you to the good life. So you do what I like in my life, like I might, sipping my water like blind mice, because that's what the dice. Scraps. Then the moment I get home to hit up my Facebook and MySpace, why are we less concerned with quiet times and more with our top 8? Because you lose and I cheat, you're beat. So take a seat and breathe.
Oh, Lord. Oh,
But wait, Superbad's McClellan's name gets spoken more often every day while movies like The Passion got people turning the other way?
that's Marsha.
It's not as bad as it seems. So I did sacrifice your dreams for my useless fantasies. And why am I so confused by the truth that's clearly right here and more easily comforted by Miss Media's traps and snares? Listen, you're not broke and I'm fine. So by the way, your thoughts are mine. Kanye does keep telling me that something wrong would feel real right. Exactly. So never think otherwise or compromise. Ignorance is bliss, and freedom is a zit, so pop it quick or get sick of free will. It's a disease. I get it now. If I conform to the media, I can have this good life and all these flashing lights. Cause I ease and aim to please myself through stealth and major damage to your spiritual health. And so I hate that I love you, cause you lonely world keep pulling me from Christ's dreams. And still, you just contribute to my self-esteem. Thank you.